Man, what's going on, TAC fans? Hey, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all all for the support. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Man, share this. Get some of your friends to subscribe. Anybody who wants a little bit of info on some firearms and maybe some cooking, maybe some pool. You know, I can do a couple things. So, man, y'all like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate that. And check out my website at CajunTaxSystems.com. Got gear, got some bags, I got all kind of stuff. So, man, y'all peep it out. Thank y'all. So today, this is a video that's a long time coming. Handguard for the JTS MK12 AK. Now guys, this was the first one that I got, the MK12 Generation 1, which I actually love. Look at this, okay? So that's what I did to it. Now, in my opinion, what this gun was lacking, oh, let me show y'all, it's empty, just so y'all know. Nothing in there. Nothing in there, clear. So, the one thing this was lacking, I'm sure y'all seen my videos on the Reaper. That's what I named this thing, the Reaper. It's a bad boy right here. Had some things done from TAC-47, from Keith, the main gunsmith. So this is a one of a kind, bad boy. Well, this is going to be the last appearance because she is no longer, the Reaper is no longer mine. I had to part with it because somebody just made it make a whole lot of sense to me. So, but actually I'm doing this, I'm putting this new handguard and everything, which I ordered quite some time ago. And I'm a Duracoat it for him too. So it's going to look really awesome. But hey guys, Iron Curtain Customs came through. It came in. I'm curious to see what it looks like. I'm excited, man. This has been a game changer for the Generation 1. And to be honest with you, I think with this on here, it's going to kill the T1. I mean, this thing was old trusty right here. Ain't nothing ever happened to this. I mean, this is what started my YouTube career. You know, this is what got all my hits when I got one of these and I went to the company. And that's how I ended up getting, I guess, sponsored. So, man, it's good times. A lot of memories with this, and like this is what got me here. So I'm blessed and thankful. So y'all, I'm gonna be putting this handguard on, which it's the only thing this gun was missing. I mean, this gun is a beast. You can't put any optics or put any attachments on it. That's the one thing it was missing. That's the one thing the T1 had over this. If it wasn't for that, I don't know which one's better. You know, I'm a fan of this one, to be honest with you. So Iron Curtain Customs did get this over to me, and I've looked, nobody on YouTube's got it done yet. So I mean, they did a really good job, and I'm gonna show y'all how to put it on, and we're gonna figure it out together. I haven't put it on yet, so we'll see what it is. It shouldn't be very hard, but hey, who knows? So hey, y'all ready to get down? Let's make it happen. All right. Take this magazine out, this thing, 10 round, 10 shell, I should say. And I'm gonna pop this off too. Quick detach on the optic. I'm gonna pull the dust cover just like this. I'm gonna take that out. Bolt, safety down. Make sure your hammer is down before you pull the bolt out. Okay. All right, that's disassembled there. Now let's take the guard off. So, all right, let me turn it this way. I can show y'all how to do it in case not everybody knows on the Gen 1. So pop the little boop, pop that up right there. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, that up. And then this is gonna come on out just like, let's see, just, whoop, there goes the clip. So, that's that, and we're gonna pull the gas plug out right here. Okay, And now the only other thing is to take the bottom piece of the handguard out. So you'll need a little screwdriver, and you have to pull up on this little piece right here. A little handle that pops up, that goes forward, that comes down, off just like that. Oh, that's okay, Emmys. I got my little dog down here, so if y'all see something running, it's him. He's big, he ain't little. All right, let me grab this clip that shot across the room. Boom, there we go. All right, y'all, so this is what they sent. They sent me a patch. Awesome. I love patches and stickers, man. I got a beer fridge. I put it all on my beer fridge. Instructions. I don't think I'm gonna need this, but hey, we're gonna keep it here just in case. And the only tool you need is one Allen wrench, and there's only 4 screws. Really 6 screws, but what I see, only 4 of them have to come undone. So let's get started. All right, y'all. So there it is, man. It's built big, a little heavy. I like it. Add substance to it. All right, so let's take these screws out. These 4. God, I'm excited to see what it looks like, y'all. I've been anticipating and waiting on this for a long time. I think I purchased it in November, if I'm not mistaken, something to that effect, or maybe the month before, maybe October. And we just got it. And boy, I'm gonna tell you, this is exactly what this Generation 1 needed. To be able to put attachments on it. I mean, people want to do that. I wanted to do that. However, it's not mine anymore, so I mean, this gun's been good to me. It's got some cool stuff done to it by Keith, TAC-47, and JTS Group, Iron Curtain Customs. I mean, I really do love it. All right. Okay, so it comes apart. Now, you do have 2 screws with your gas block right here, which 2 screws at the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna have to take these off, but we'll see. All right, so I would imagine put this one on first. Okay. Okay, so we have our little gas that goes right there in the little crevice. Okay. It's just like that, huh? Now, with that being said, so what I do gotta do, let me see. I gotta lock this in. All right, let's lock it in. A little handle. Okay, there we go. Now, let's put this on. That so the block is tight. Fits perfect right on there. Okay, now gas plug. Let's put that back in. Slides right in here. All right, now, okay, so I would assume this has to come off. This goes back on a little clip. Okay. Just like that. In, set. Pull the little hammer down. Got it locked in. Now, let's see. So 4 screws go here. Perfect. And I just lock it. It just fits on like a glove. All right, so 4 screws, here it is. So hey, if anybody, well, I know some people do, because I know quite a few were ordered. whoever has one, I'd like to shoot me down a comment and let me know what you think about it on the Gen 1. If it's met up to your expectations of the $170 you had to spend, plus shipping. So I'm curious. All right. Now, what I would suggest everybody to do who's assembling one is go put some. So first of all, this ain't coming off. Okay, this is going to be here forever. I would red Loctite it and with all these screws and just make sure, you know, it's good and secure. And before you do that, clean your gas plug, clean everything on the inside. Me personally, I would red Loctite it, but don't no less than blue for sure. No less than blue. So, man, if anybody got any questions, hit me in the comments. Let me know. And I'm going to tell y'all this, man. This thing is looking awesome. I saw the prototype whenever they first started working on it. And I'm going to tell you, it doesn't look as good as this does. I wasn't super impressed with how that looked. But this, man, this is amazing. All right, let's put the bolt back on. Let's see what she looks like dressed. Let's get her back dressed. The Reaper. That's a shame. I ain't gonna see the Reaper anymore. And you know what's funny, y'all, is I don't sell any type of firearms or anything. I don't sell any of my stuff. But it was worth it. It was worth it. And I'm actually gonna flat dark earth this, just like Whisper Tactical's AR-12, but I'm gonna Duracoat it, and I'm gonna do that in a couple of days. Golly, that's bad. Boy, that feels good too. That feels real good. All right, let's just pop this back on here. Okay. All right, y'all. That's why I call it the Reaper. I mean, look at this. Boy, it feels good too. Golly. Boy, it makes me miss it. Big time. Big time. That's a beast. That's a behemoth right there. And now we can put light on it. We can put whatever we want. Put a grip here. That's probably the first thing I would do, you know, and that's just me personally, but this motherfucker's bad. And like I said, I'm a Duracoat flat dark earth it in a couple of days. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see that on video. And man, I Iron Curtain Customs just went over and beyond this. This is well made. The build is incredible. It fits the gun so snug. And it's a little heavy though. Now that's a big old gun, y'all. I would, if I was you, I'd get a sling, which I run a sling on everything personally. But this is a big, heavy behemoth right here. So, man, there it is, y'all. We've been waiting a long time for this handguard on the Gen 1. So now, you know, I've had people ask me, which one do you like better, the Gen 1 or the T1? I think with this on here now, I think this would be my favorite pick. Old trusty right here. So, hey, if y'all got any questions, comments, hit me down. Let me know. And thank y'all for being here. And this is Cajun Tactical. And I'm signing out. I'll see y'all here soon. And once again, shout out to Iron Curtain Customs, JTS. Y'all did a phenomenal job on this. And appreciate you, Keith and Aaron, for always taking care of me and making sure I got that before anybody. So, man, I appreciate it. I apologize. It's been a little bit longer for me to drop the video, but I had to get the old gun back. So, all right, y'all. Signing out. Have a great one.